Hello everyone. Welcome to Mastering the Art of Manifestation, a series where we dive deep into the world of manifestation and explore how you can co-create the life of your dreams. In this first chapter, we'll uncover the secrets to successful manifestation and why it's important. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential, let's get started. Chapter 1: What's all the big fuss about manifestation? Manifestation, what's all the fuss about? If you're new to this concept, don't worry, we've got you covered. Manifestation is all about co-creating your dreams by facing reality head-on while eliminating the negatives that hold you back. It's a journey towards your desires, and here's why it matters. What's the fuss? The journey of manifestation can be hindered by various negatives, with fear and impatience being among the most common culprits. Many of us tend to be more fearful than faithful, and that's only human. However, we can overcome these barriers by embracing them and applying solutions patiently. Rushing through the process might provide quick solutions, but it won't lead to lasting change. So, here are some tips to perfect the art of successful manifestation. 1. Patience. The first and foremost requirement is patience. Manifestation takes time, and you'll achieve success in the right time and place. Unfortunately, we don't have time machines to jump into our future, so patience is key. 2. Clear your state of mind. Focus is crucial. If you can't concentrate on your goals, you'll be left feeling confused and overwhelmed. Clearing your mind involves ridding yourself of negative emotions and allowing positive vibes to take over. That wraps up our first chapter on mastering the art of manifestation. But hold on, this is just the beginning. We have a whole 10-chapter video series dedicated to helping you master manifestation. So, don't miss out on any of the upcoming chapters where we'll delve deeper into the techniques and practices that can help you manifest your desires effectively. Remember, this series is your guide to co-creating the life you've always wanted. To stay updated and ensure you catch every episode, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next chapter of Mastering the Art of Manifestation.